Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for all your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to haptic feedback to switch it off or on. If you decided to switch it on, you need to swipe left or right on this haptic feedback slider in order to adjust its intensity. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!